Look what arrived yesterday from the East Coast. I just have to show you this. I don't even need to say anything because when you see these, you're going to be even more impressed than I was. If you're a Mercedes enthusiast who owns one of these early air suspension cars, I don't need to say any more, okay? This says it all. If you want to go to the man who I consider the very best in the world at rebuilding these components, visit Martin at 600airsuspension.com and let him help you. These are the 4 valves from the car, and they really are quite sophisticated and quite complex inside. You wouldn't believe how many little pieces and moving parts are inside one of these valves. But this here is the main valve. It receives the air from the compressor on the engine right here, and then it distributes it out to these other 3 valves. We have 2 in the front, 1 for each front wheel, and then we have 1 in the rear. So there's 3 valves that control ride height and the air volume going into those air springs on each of the wheels.